Test your credit knowledge. What is a soft inquiry on your credit report typically associated with? B. Checking your own credit score. Which of the following is not a credit bureau? C. Visa. What does the term charge-off mean in relation to credit? B. A creditor giving up on collecting a debt. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more. Visit www.creditmoneymachine.com for a zero-knowledge professional results 15-second processing software. Schedule your private session at www.lmrcalendar.com today.